what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Rev Room. It's your boy Mickey Mac, and today I got another food product review for you guys. I'm going to be trying out the Hostess Donettes Caramel Crunch Limited Edition. The Crunch Donettes are my absolute favorite. I personally like them over the powdered or the chocolate glazed and even the regular glaze. And for all those people that call it caramel, no. You're saying it wrong, buddy. It's caramel. There's an A that comes after the R, just so you know. Can't wait to try these. Hopefully these live up to the expectation, at least, right? We can only hope. Oh man, they smell amazing. They look more like a brownish or tannish regular Hostess Crunch Donettes. So I just cracked the seal. Now let's see what's the deal. Absolutely. No question. These are better than the regular Crunch ones. I remember I did the hot cocoa and marshmallow Hostess Donettes. The Caramel Crunch blows that out of the water. These are the best donuts right here. Caramel Crunch, no question. Oh my god. Absolute fire. Love it. Amazing. Wow. 10 out of 10 with these. Perfect amount of caramel and perfect amount of crunch to form the absolute ultimate donut. Guys, if you see these Caramel Crunch Donettes and you're a big caramel fan and a huge donut lover like myself, highly recommend. It's urgent that you pick this up. It would be a perfect excusable emergency to leave your house, go to the store, gas station, 7-Eleven, Wawa, wherever, and scoop these up. These are an awesome snack and the best donuts I've ever had. This is my favorite Hostess product right now. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching this review on this amazing product, Hostess Donettes Caramel. Put them all together. Crazy. And that's all I have for you guys today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to check us out on Instagram, Facebook, and Rumble at The Rev Room, of course. And we got videos coming every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. This is your boy Mickey Mac, back at it again. A.K.A. the Donut Destroyer. A.K.A. the Foodie. A.K.A. the Donettes Destroyer. A.K.A. you get the point. I'm out.